ऐसे लग रहा है शादी का घर है ये. And I found the perfect one, I feel. The brain is not braining right now, mera. It's so pretty. Hey you all, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another self-portrait video. I've made a very impulsive decision to make this video today on the day of Gokulashtami. And ऐसा कुछ मेरे दिमाग में था नहीं कि I wanted to do a shoot based on this theme and whatever. But today morning, it randomly struck my mind. So I haven't really planned yet कि मुझे shoot करना ही करना है on this theme and all. But since today morning, I was thinking to do something or other. I really wanted to do Radha inspired self-portrait shoot. I have a few things in my mind and I do have a small list of things which I want to get ready for the shoot. So सुबह सुबह मैंने मम्मी के कबर्ड में रेड डाल दिया है because I don't really have ऐसा लहंगा or something like that to wear. But my mom has very beautiful sarees which she has been collecting since a lot of years. So I decided to raid her cupboard and I found the perfect one, I feel. This is the sari which I wanna wear. It's a very beautiful teal turquoise color. It's a very rich color. Also I have this another option. This is a very beautiful sari but I don't think कि मैं इसे पहनूंगी. Majorly I'm thinking to use this as a backdrop because this has very intricate design and very gold touch to it. So I feel backdrop में this and me wearing this sari, so it will be a good combination. I feel I will pop out a little, but let's see because this sari has warm tones and it has a little cool tone to it. So I am figuring out that. Also I want to get a few things ready अभी से ही. The main element I feel is Radha ka makeover. I really wanted to do the white things on the face. Let's see if I can do it, but because I am not really good at makeup, so let's see if I figure that out or not. And the second most important thing I feel is the more punk, the more piece. This is a very special element I feel in this shoot. So मुझे वो कैसे भी करके figure out करने का है. We initially had more piece in our home, but I can't find it right now. पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों होता है, जब भी कुछ चीज़ की एकदम ज़रूरत रहती है तभी वो चीज़ नहीं मिलती है घर पे. It's so annoying. I was literally running in this home, finding things, finding sari, finding props and all. And another important thing is flower. I will buy a few मोगरा का flowers also. I know काफ़ी late morning हो गया है मेरा. It's around 11 o'clock. 11 बजे मैं gym जा रही हूँ, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We will not miss out on our gym sessions because it's very important. And while coming back, I will buy the stuff. I came from the gym, I shopped the stuff जो भी चाहिए था. घर आके पहली चीज़ तो मैं नहाई हूँ because I was totally drenched in the rain. And बहुत भूख लगा है मुझे. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm very hungry. Also this time it's going to be very quick because kind of deadline जैसा है क्योंकि I need to shoot right now and edit it till evening and like post it till 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना. This is what it is now. I have to get done a lot of things. Firstly तो मैं खाना खा लूँगी. Then I'm gonna little bit shave the eyebrows, do little grooming session because वो तो किया ही नहीं है मैंने बहुत दिनों से. तो ठीक है, वो करते हैं. And then I have put my camera charger on charging. My empty stomach brain is not braining. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. लिटिल द ब्रेन इज़ नॉट ब्रेनिंग राइट नाउ. मेरा थोड़ा सा अभी खाना हुआ है मेरा खा के, तो थोड़ा सा सुस्ती वाले मूड में मैं जा रही हूँ धीरे धीरे. बट एनी वेज वॉट एवर दैट इज़, आई एम गोना मेक श्योर कि आई मेक दिस बैकग्राउंड वर्क. ऑल्सो we have a little situation over here. ट्राईपॉड जो है मेरा टूटा हुआ है थोड़ा सा एंड आई फॉरगॉट आई हैव अ ब्रोकन कैमरा ट्राईपॉड, सो उसके भी थोड़े से मुझे जुगाड़ करने हैं. आई हैव टू गेट रेडी ऑल्सो एंड आई हैव टू डेकोरेट ऑल्सो एंड आई हैव टू चार्ज दिस लाइट ऑल्सो. दिस इज द शॉपिंग विच आई हैव डन आते टाइम ही जिम से, और मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें ली हुई है. आई जस्ट शो what I have. I don't know why, but I use this switchboard as my tripod. So I have gotten few real flowers for the shoot. I have gotten this random pen which I found very nice looking, so I got it. And I have decorative item fake mogra. I really wanted to hang पीछे थोड़े से अच्छे दिखने वाले मोगरा. Okay. ऐसे लग रहा है शादी का घर है ये. I'm gonna hang all of this over there. चला, let's put on the time lapse. So the setup is kind of looking like this. The thing about my tripod is this doesn't work. जो tight करने वाला system रहता है. So I have another tripod, this Gorilla वाला. I have tried to do little जुगाड़ over here. This is for the light. It's time to shave the face. So I usually do this face shaving routine in the night before sleeping, ताकि my skin is very sensitive, so even if there is any cuts or anything, it does get recover the next morning. मतलब पूरे night भर में ये एलोवेरा जेल लगा के रखती हूँ. Not this specific brand, but you get the point, right? The aloe gel. Also I have the face shaving balm of Carmesy, but I can't find it right now, so मैं use कर रही हूँ जो मुझे easily available मिल रहा है. Also I have done my face shaving routine in a short video, so to check that out, I'm gonna run this clip very fast. Okay, I'm kind of almost half ready. I'll show you what it looks like, but it's a very jugadu outfit. So this is what the sari looks like. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा अलग वे से drape किया हुआ है. I mean, I don't know. ऐसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा funny दिख रहा है. But let's see if I figure this out and I work this out. I have a feeling कि थोड़ा सा अच्छे से हो जाएगा, क्योंकि eyes से तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये कलर. And I have chosen this beige as a backdrop, so I feel कि अच्छा तो आएगा ही. So this is how it will look. मैं थोड़ा सा गीले बाल रखने वाली हूँ today for the shoot. I want little that feel to it. Also I have my jewelry ready. गले में तो मैं कुछ नहीं पहन रही हूँ. This is the nut I have. Planning to wear these earrings and these bangles. I don't know, maybe ज़्यादा blue हो जाएगा तो मैं blue निकाल दूँगी बीच में का. And also I have little mehndi stain also. That's great. मैंने फूल लाए थे कुछ. I think the pink lotus will look fab with this outfit. I mean, just look at it. And obviously I have mogras. Pretty इतने महंगे हैं ना ये. I love mogra, I love saffron, I love all these flowers which smell so good. चला आता आवरूया. Okay, so this is my final setup. It looks so pretty. I'm a little explaining this thing which I have done. This is my mom's sari and पीछे मैंने एक panel light लगाया हुआ है जो पीछे से बैक लाइट देगा. एंड इट्स वार्म, पूरा येलो कर दिया मैंने इसको. सो आई होप इट हेल्प्स. आई हैव माई ट्राईपॉड रेडी फॉर माई कैमरा एंड आई हैव दिस स्टैंड ऑल्सो रेडी, जिसमें मैं ये वाला बड़ा वाला लाइट लगा दूँगी अभी के अब. आई हैड अ लिटिल प्रॉब्लम विद दैट ट्राईपॉड, सो मैंने थोड़ा सा वापस जुगाड़ कर लिया है. आई हैड अ फ्यू बॉक्सेस ओवर देयर, सो मैंने यहाँ पे मेरा ट्राईपॉड लगा लिया. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट द फ्रेम लुक्स लाइक. I love it. मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा festive vibes दे रहा है ये. Also I have this little nut over here and I'm still figuring out what to do of my hair. I really love this look, but I'm very bad with my hair. Let's see. I'm just going to wing it. I feel this should be आगे, this should be पीछे, and these hair should come little in the front. I think I need water to wet my hair. What do you think? What do you think? Let's see. Hey you all, it's 6 o'clock in the evening. I was shooting and बीच में ही battery खत्म हो गया. So I switched to the phone. I shot a few photos on my phone. I really liked how the photos look like because camera में मैंने photos बिल्कुल नहीं लिए. मैंने सिर्फ videos लिए हुए हैं. And I wanted some storyline or something like that, but I couldn't really think of it as such. But I really did whatever I felt like. मतलब थोड़े से ब्यूटी शॉट्स, क्लोजअप शॉट्स एंड थोड़े नखरे वाले शॉट्स, वो थोड़ा मेरे माइंड में था. सो आई डोंट रियली ऐसा एज सच सिट एंड प्लान लाइक एवरीथिंग कि ये शॉट लेना है, ओपनिंग शॉट, क्लोजिंग शॉट, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं मैं सोचती हूँ. आई जस्ट शूट वॉट एवर आई फील लाइक शूटिंग. सो वो हो गया है मेरा. In my mind, I know that I have enough shots, but still I am little unsure कि पूरे मिले हैं कि नहीं. So now I am just cross-checking every video I have taken, and I'm gonna like roughly sort things and roughly see if I have enough things or not. Otherwise वापस ले लूँगी मैं, बिकॉज नेचुरल लाइट का तो इतना सीन था नहीं. आई वॉज यूजिंग दिस लाइट ओनली द होल टाइम. आई रियली लाइक हाउ दिस लुक हैज़ टर्न्ड आउट. आई मीन आई एम लिटरली लुकिंग एट माई सेल्फ ओनली पूरा टाइम. द मेकअप इज ऑल्सो वेरी ऑन पॉइंट टुडे. And also, if you have noticed or not, but I have did something to my bindi over here. See, I really wanted to do the white thing for the bindi. On my face tone now, this warm light looks so damn good. और मैंने shoot के time भी पीछे panel light लगाया हुआ था, and सामने it was this warm light, and it made look, it's so dreamy. I will insert a few pictures here. I wanted to post this video like right now. I don't know if I can do it or not, but I have enough like time तो है मेरे पास. So hopefully ज़्यादा येलो दिख रहा है. Yeah, so hopefully I think I will be able to upload a reel today, and if I do it, well done Aditi, well done. Also I wanted little small hairs from here coming, so पूरा time shoot में भी I was concentrating on that only कि if hairs are good, अगर hair neck के इधर नहीं आ रहा है, it's very disturbing you know while shooting. So I was taking care of that as well. So थोड़ा सा इधर उधर चीज़ें हो रही थी मेरी, and that's why I couldn't really vlog during the shoot because I was concentrating on the shoot. So I was using पानी बार बार to make this little hair गीला गीला बार बार. अभी तो कैसे अजीब से हो गए मेरे बाल. Also this time I have used every single prop which I have bought in the shoot. मतलब हमेशा मैं भूल जाती हूँ कुछ ना कुछ यूज़ करना, या फिर वो यूज़ होता ही नहीं है. But this time everything has been used. The more piece, द मोगरा, द फ्लावर्स जो भी थे वो सारे यूज़ हो गए. देन द बुक, I wanted to insert something writing thing in the reel. That's why I bought this feather wala pen also, and I had this vintage kind of little book also. So मुझे वो चीज़ ऐड करना ही था कुछ भी करके. So I did that.